Welcome to a transformative journey where the golden rules of money shine as beacons of hope. These rules aren't just ideas, they are the compass guiding you through the financial wilderness to a land of abundance and security. Ignoring these principles could leave you in a perpetual struggle, battling uphill in every life aspect, but embracing them is your ticket to a life of financial success and fulfillment. Please subscribe to my channel and stay till the end. Money talks, and it's time we listened with our hearts as well as our heads. This isn't just about numbers and bank accounts, it's about dreams and freedom. I see these golden rules of money as more than guidelines. They're stepping stones to a future where you're not just surviving, but thriving. It's like planting a garden of opportunities and watching it bloom with every wise decision you make. Rule 10. Embracing the game of wealth. Imagine life as a game where learning the rules isn't just helpful, it's life-changing. This game is about making smart choices, not just hard work. It's like being the captain of your own ship, navigating through the sea of financial challenges to reach the island of your dreams. Imagine a life where you're not just surviving, but thriving, free from the shackles of financial constraints. That's what learning the game of wealth offers. It's not about choosing a life of endless work over financial freedom. It's about mastering the art of money to live the life you've always dreamed of. This isn't just a choice, it's a necessity for a life of prosperity and peace. Rule 9. The wisdom of avoiding depreciating assets or smart choices over shiny things. Picture this: a life where your wealth grows like a mighty oak, not dwindles like autumn leaves. This is what avoiding depreciating assets like cars and luxury items can do for you. These aren't just purchases, they're barriers to your wealth-building journey. Choose wisely and let your investments in real estate, stocks, and precious metals be the wind beneath your financial wings. It's easy to get dazzled by shiny new things, but the real sparkle is in making smart choices. Think of your money like seeds. Plant them in the right places and they'll grow into a forest of wealth. It's not about having the newest car, it's about building a future where you're secure and happy. Rule 8. The magic of making money work for you or let your money grow while you sleep. The secret to riches isn't just hard work, it's smart work. It's about making your money dance to the tunes of growth and prosperity while you sleep. This isn't just about saving, it's about investing in avenues like stocks and real estate that turn your dreams of financial freedom into reality. Imagine your money as little workers, building your castle of wealth while you rest. Investing is like sending these workers out to gather more wealth for you. It's not just about saving, it's about growing your money tree. Rule 7. The truth about impression. Spending or be true to you, not to impress. Imagine a life where your happiness isn't held hostage by the opinions of others. Spending to impress is a trap that leads to a mirage of happiness but leaves you in a desert of debt and dissatisfaction. Break free from this illusion and spend for yourself, not for fleeting applause. Spending to impress others is like chasing a rainbow. It might look pretty, but it doesn't lead to a pot of gold. True happiness and wealth comes from being true to yourself, not from showing off to others. Rule 6. The danger of debt. A choice, not a chain. Envision a life where debt isn't a chain around your ankles, but a choice you control. The allure of instant gratification through debt is a siren song, leading to a whirlpool of financial instability. True financial empowerment comes from making choices that keep you afloat and moving forward. Think of debt as a tool, not a trap. It's like a shovel. Use it wisely to dig your well of wealth, not to dig a hole of despair. Being smart about debt means you're in control, not the other way round. Rule 5. The balancing act of risk or dancing with risk. Life is a tightrope walk of risks and rewards. Too much risk and you fall into the abyss of failure. Too little and you never reach the heights of success. It's about finding that sweet spot where risks are stepping stones to your castle of financial freedom. Life's a dance with risk and reward. It's about finding the right rhythm between taking chances and staying safe. Like a tightrope walker, you need to balance carefully to reach the other side successfully. Rule 4. The power of goal setting. Your map to treasure. Imagine your life as a journey to a treasure. Without a map, your goals, you're just wandering in circles. Setting smart goals isn't just about planning, it's about bringing your dreams into the realm of reality. Write them down and watch them turn from wishes to achievements. Setting goals is like drawing a map to your treasure. They're not just wishes, they're your plan for an adventure to a life of wealth and happiness. Write them down, and they become your compass, guiding you every step of the way. Rule 3. Order brings opportunity. A cluttered financial house is a house of cards, ready to collapse at the slightest breeze. Organizing your finances isn't just about order, it's about building a fortress that withstands the storms of economic uncertainty and lets you track your journey to wealth with precision and confidence. A tidy financial house is a house of peace and possibilities. It's like having a clean and organized room where you can think clearly and dream big. Knowing where your money is going and coming from is like having a clear sky to navigate your stars of fortune. Rule 2. The right mentality for wealth, or the wealthy mindset. Picture a mindset where every obstacle is a stepping stone, not a stumbling block. The journey to wealth starts with the belief that it's not just possible, but within your grasp. Change your narrative from "I can't" to "How can I?" and watch as doors to prosperity open before you. Believing you can be wealthy is the first step to making it happen. It's like turning on a light in a dark room. Suddenly you can see all the possibilities. Think of challenges as chances to grow, not as roadblocks. Rule 1. The priority of paying yourself first. Self-care is wealth care. Imagine each paycheck as a seed. Planting a portion of it in the soil of your savings isn't just prudent, it's a promise of a bountiful financial future. This isn't just about saving, it's about securing your tomorrow. Ensuring that a single unexpected expense doesn't uproot your life stability. Paying yourself first is like putting on your oxygen mask before helping others. It's about taking care of your future self, ensuring that you're ready for whatever comes your way. This isn't just saving, it's self-care. Conclusion: the life-changing impact of the golden rules. Money isn't just currency, it's the lifeblood of your dreams. Understanding and following these 10 golden rules isn't just about financial growth, it's about enhancing the quality of your life in ways you never imagined. Let these rules be your guiding stars, leading you to a future of financial freedom and joy. Remember, your financial journey is your own unique fairy tale. These golden rules are your magic beans, growing into a beanstalk of opportunities. It's a path filled with hope, wisdom, and a little bit of magic. Embrace these rules and watch as your financial story unfolds into a tale of success and happiness. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and drop a comment.